none other than the lover boy, undefeated Filipino bantamweight champion, Kenneth Lover. And beside him to the left, the former two-weight world champion and Kenneth Lover manager, Sir Jerry Peñalosa. And of course, the man behind title holder PH, the CEO himself, Sir Elmer Anuran. And I'm honored to introduce to you the chairman of title holder PH and the main sponsor, the Blackwater. Without further ado, let me introduce Sir Giseldo C. All right, again, thank you very much. Thank you. Let's start this off. Let's hear first from the representative of title holder, the platform that's bringing this electrifying fight to the boxing fans worldwide, of course, here in the Philippines. Please welcome, wala siya dito sa stage, but I have to call him Mr. Paulo Diaz, who's also part of the title holder PH. First, sir. Okay. First, sir, let us know what is your role at title holder PH.
So middle.
Yes, of course, the medias are there.
Everyone.
Yes.
So good afternoon, everyone. A warm welcome. My name is Paulo Diaz. So I handle operations and production for title holder. Again, a warm welcome for everyone here, and our distinguished VIPs, of course. Thank you for having us here. Sorry. Okay, it's an honor to welcome all of you to this press con as we build excitement for the upcoming bantamweight showdown between Keita Kurihara and our very own Kenneth Lover. A fight that promises to showcase the power, skill, and determination of these two incredible athletes. At title holder, our mission is to bring world-class boxing directly to the fans, ensuring that every punch, every moment, and every victory is accessible to all. This fight is a testament to our commitment to providing a platform where both rising stars and seasoned champions can shine. We are also very proud to have the support of our chairman, Mr. Giseldo C., whose dedication to sports and athletes continues to this day, and of course to elevate the boxing community and our fighters. Together with the boxing legends here today, we look forward to making this event a massive success. Thank you all for being here, our friends from the media, for all your support. We can't wait to hear from our fighter, Kenneth Lover, our esteemed guest, of course, our CEO, Elmer Anuran, and boxing legend, Jerry Peñalosa. Let's get this started. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Mr. Paulo Diaz. And of course, this event is because of the boxer. Now let's hear it from the man of the hour, our boxer that's going to be fighting on March 24. He is proudly representing Gen 3 Cavite. His record, undefeated. He has 13 wins with 8 knockouts, and he is also the WBC Asia Continental Bantamweight Champion, WBO Asia Pacific Youth Bantamweight Champion, the interim Oriental Pacific Boxing Federation Champion, and soon the regular OPBF Champion. Ladies and gentlemen, Kenneth Lover. A few words, Kenneth?
Hello. Maraming salamat sa Panginoong Diyos at sa mga taong sumusuporta po sa akin. Nagpapasalamat din po ako sa aking mga boss, kay Boss Jerry Peñalosa at kay Boss Giseldo SY, sa mga boss ko, Boss Elmer Anuran, at sa title holder family. Maraming salamat po sa family ko, sa Gen 3 na sumusuporta sa akin sa mga kaanib po namin sa loob ng Iglesia ni Cristo. Maraming salamat po sa inyong patuloy na pagsuporta. Ito po talagang laban na to, talagang pinagandaan po talaga namin to. Talagang sasagupa talaga po kami sa isang matinding laban po talaga na gaganapin ngayong March 24. Talagang ibibigay po namin yung pinaghirapan namin, lahat talagang pinaghirapan namin sa training, sa mga sparring, talagang ipapakita po namin ngayong March 24 sa gaganapin sa Tokyo, Japan. Maraming salamat po.
Alright, maraming salamat Kenneth Lover. Alam mo, I'm very excited for this because si Kenneth Lover, take note media, most of the boxers that we have comes from Visayas and Mindanao. Kenneth Lover is from Gentry, Cavite. Tandaan po natin yan. And of course, the man who's shaping the career of our very own future world champion. He is the two-time world champion and he is also the manager of Kenneth Lover. None other than Sir Jerry Peñalosa. A few words, sir?
Magandang hapon sa lahat. Isang laking karagalan. Magkasama tayo ngayon. Nagigilan na lang tayo. Magandang hapon sa lahat. Isang malaking karangalan na magkasama tayo ulit ngayon dito. At boxing na naman. So, I'm excited for Kenneth. I'm thankful sa lahat ng mga media sa suporta. Of course, title holder, Blackwater. So, isang laking bagay na yung suporta nyo. Dahil lahat-lahat ito hindi makakaya pag wala kayo. Again, maraming salamat po at pausulod, huwag mo kami pahirapan.
Thank you very much, Sir Jerry Peñalosa. Ibang klase talaga yun. Sir, thank you rin sa pag-guide kay Kenneth Lover. Pero hindi lang si Sir Jerry yung nag-guide kay Kenneth Lover. Meron din tayong isa. And I'm very excited for this because I don't know if there's any other platform, sports streaming platform like Title Holder PH. And to learn more about Title Holder PH, let me introduce the man, the legend himself, former promoter, CEO of Title Holder, Mr. Elmer Anuran.
Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. And of course, we are so thankful na nakarating po kayo sa press ko na ito. Anyway, I'm excited to introduce you Title Holder. It is a sports platform where we showcase and discover all Filipino talents in various sports, but with a focus on boxing. So yun po yung title holder. So our mission, well, when we say boxing, we all believe that boxing for us Filipinos, not just a sport. It is a passion. We have seen that how boxing transpires and inspires all the whole nation. Of course, thank you for the success of our pambansang kamanghoman, Pacquiao, and other boxing greats, kagaya ng kasama natin dito. And in title holder, our mission is to develop fighter, to samahan natin sila for their journey, and to connect the boxing enthusiasts or the sports enthusiasts, no? The sports enthusiasts to have a live experience watching sporting events. So with the slogan of legends in the making, we believe that every athlete has a story worth telling and has a dream worth pursuing. So andito po ang title holder to guide them, and of course we are so thankful and honored that we collaborated with Jerry Pence Promotions, and of course our mentor, our chairman, Blackwater owner, Josel Dasi. So samahan nyo kami on this journey, and let's elevate Filipino sports in a world-class stage in the next level. So yeah, welcome to Title Holder.
Alright, thank you very much. Personally, I'm very excited for Title Holder. As a boxing fan myself, I experienced it's so hard to get boxing feet, especially for international fights, especially for Japan. So very excited. Thank you very much, Title Holder, for bringing into the Filipino the boxing fight of Kenneth Lover. By the way, to those of you who want to watch it, just go to titleholder.ph, available for GCash for only 199 pesos. And speaking of the journey, syempre, we're here in the presence of Blackwater's main man. He is also the chairman, and I'm so honored and kind of surprised a little bit, the chairman, kasi hindi ko alam, parang ngayon lang. But tell us a little bit more about Joseldo C. as the chairman of title holders.
Hello, good afternoon po sa inyo lahat for coming here. As you know, Elmer is a good friend and a business partner for the past couple of years. I was asked to be the chairman, which I'm honored to be part of this title holder, because when he presented to me the program and the platform, I said this is worth looking at and maybe giving my piece of advice and experience on sports business, because as you know, I'm running basketball team since mid-90s, and then I almost managed Manny Pacquiao in 1998. And then both Elmer and Jerry presented to me the Lover Boy, Kenneth Lover. He reminded me of Manny way back 1998. Manny was, I think, 20 years old when I met him, and he started from very similar starting point na medyo bata pa, very hungry, they need the support. So here I am, parang redoing what I did to Manny in 1998. So now we're in 2025, 27 years after. I felt I'm a 40-year-old guy again. So with a partnership with Jerry and Elmer, and with a new potential future Pacquiao, so we hope we will do this better, and hope everybody supports the Lover Boy and also title holder platform to our journey for the future of the next Kamao of the Philippines. Thank you po.
Thank you very much, Sir Theo.